It's important to establish that frying is the least preferred way of cooking. Opting for boiling, baking, steaming, or grilling is always a better choice, regardless of the type of fat used for frying. However, if you really adore fried dishes, it's crucial to follow some basic rules. It's advisable to steer clear of unsaturated fats when it comes to frying. Why? Because they possess a high level of instability and are prone to oxidation, even with minimal heat exposure. Consequently, this oxidation process leads to the release of advanced lipid oxidation end products, ALEs, which can have a deleterious effect on proteins and potentially contribute to heart issues, strokes, and even forms of cancer. Their negative impact surpasses that of carbohydrates and refined sugar. Although you may not desire to do so, it's recommended to refrain from purchasing and consuming fats like soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower seed oil, safflower seed oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, and peanut oil. These oils undergo extensive chemical processing during extraction, rendering them unsafe for consumption even without additional heating. Here are the top 5 fats that are highly suitable for frying. Before we proceed, it's crucial to emphasize an important point. Avoid heating the fat in the pan beyond 160 to 180 degrees Celsius or 320 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Beyond this temperature range, even the most stable fats start a gradual oxidation process, which poses health risks and makes frying unhealthy. We strongly advise using a cooking thermometer, preferably at the beginning. However, if one is not available, you can rely on visual clues. When placing the food to be fried, you should observe the formation of small bubbles around it, without any splattering of fat or intense sizzling. Number 5. Extra virgin olive oil. It's important to look for 100% cold-pressed olive oil. All other variants of olive oil are processed and are not acceptable, either for cooking or for direct consumption. The same goes for number 4, extra virgin avocado oil. It also has a high oxidation temperature point, which is generally not typical for vegetable oils, so you can safely use it. Number 3, cold-pressed coconut oil. Perhaps the best of all vegetable fats. It contains a large amount of omega-3 fatty acids, so when used carefully, it could be very beneficial for your overall health condition. Number 2, ghee. Refined ghee is a fantastic choice for deep frying. Ghee contains close to 100% pure healthy fats, being prepared by heating cow butter at boiling temperature and extracting the water and milk proteins from it. Ghee contains saturated fats of animal origin and has many health benefits. Number 1. Beef tallow or pork lard. It's important to use fresh fat from young calves or pigs, which can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 months, or in the freezer for up to 6 months without losing its beneficial properties. If you can, use fat from grass-fed animals. Take care of your body. It will pay off.